Okay, so you said you know how to add and subtract polynomials pretty easily.
Yep.
So if I gave you this problem, x squared plus 5x plus 9 plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 17, what does that equal?
Well, you have to add the like term. So like you have an x squared and a 3x squared. So you can just add these two terms easily. So you just get 4x squared. And then, so then you have another like term. You have 5x and negative 2x.
Uh-huh.
It's like 5 minus 2 is 3, so you have plus 3x. And then you have 9 and 17, so it's 9 minus 17, so that's negative 8. So you have negative 8.
Okay. And what if I asked you instead to subtract them? What would you do? So make a minus sign
Well,
there?
you could,
So minus, maybe, I don't want it to seem like it's minus 3x squared. So this polynomial minus this polynomial. Okay.
so subtracting a polynomial, you can carry this negative minus sign through all the, you can just invert all of the terms and then add it.
Okay.
So the positive goes to the negative, negative goes to the positive, negative goes to the positive. And then you can just add them.
Okay.
So x squared, we like adding x squared minus 3x squared, so it's negative 2x squared. This is 7x, and this is 6.
Okay. Cool. Now I'm going to simplify things a little bit so I don't ask you about multiplying these polynomials. I'm going to get rid of the x squareds. But let's just start with these two polynomials, 5x plus 9 and 2x plus 17. What do you think you do to multiply those?
Well, if you have...
Let's put a multiplying symbol.
So you could sort of write them out two separate parts with parentheses. So you could do 5x plus 9, 2x plus 17. So what you could do is you could multiply like 5x times 2x, 5x times 17, 9 times 2x, 9 times 17, and then add all the parts.
Okay, have you seen that way of multiplying polynomials before?
I mean, I've seen the way of multiplying before, but I haven't used it with polynomials.
Okay, well where have you seen this way of multiplying before?
Well, it's sort of like when you have two things that two separate terms inside, and you want to multiply like two other separate terms, and then you can multiply them this way instead of trying to add it complicated. And then
Okay, but where? When would you do this? When would you use this type of multiplying?
well, you could use it when you can't really add one of the sides together, like with square roots.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay, well go ahead and multiply this out.
So you have 5x times 2x is be 10x squared.
Okay.
5x times 17 would be 85x. Times 2x, this is 18x, and then 9 times 17, 153.
Okay.
So you have 10x squared, and this is 103x total. So you have 10x squared plus 103x plus 153.
Okay, that's great. And I just want to ask you, how did you do 9 times 17? You said that was 153. I assume you didn't just know that. How did you do 9 times 17 in your head?
Well, you can just say 10 times 17, which is 170.
Okay.
Minus 1 times 17, 17. So then you can just subtract this. It's a lot easier to do. And you can just say this is 160 minus 7, which is 153.
Okay, great. All right. Good job, Hannah. That was really nice. So now you know how to multiply polynomials.
Yep.
All right, so now I'm going to show you something else that's pretty interesting about polynomials.